So here we are at Board and Brew in Orange County Place. Just saw it, thought it might taste good. We'll see what you think about it. For the first sandwich you got here is a beef dip. Beef dip. Cheese, wonderful cheese, lots of cheese. Swiss looks like. And bread, and then you got the dipping sauce. The bread is pretty good. Sauce is like a standard beef dip sauce. The cheese and the meat. Standard beef dip. Nothing special. Can't say much more about it than that. And I'm looking forward to this one. This one calls the beef spicy. Again, so it's a spicy beef dip. So it added some onions, some mustard, jalapenos in there as well with the onions. So it's supposed to be spicy. We'll see how spicy it really is. The dip. Now that one is really good. That just elevates the flavor of the beef dip. You have the onions, the jalapeno right in there. It adds into a very nice flavor, wonderful texture. Now that is a much better step up than the beef dip. Next we got the tuna sandwich. Now, I'm not a really big fan of tuna, but we'll just see how the tuna sandwich is like. Looks like a nice squaw bread they put it on. And we got cheese in there, tuna, onions, oops, probably should lift that off. Avocados, my daughter doesn't like onions, so, and tomatoes. So let's see how this one tastes. The squaw bread is really nice, a very good flavor added to the tuna. The tuna tastes good, lettuce is fresh, tomatoes fresh. Didn't taste onion that time, but I'm sure it's in there, it'll be tasty. It's a good standard tuna sandwich. Last sandwich we got is a vegetarian. And squaw bread as well. Got onion, tomato, alfalfa sprouts, lettuce, 2 types of cheese. I am in the mood for good vegetarian sandwich tonight. I enjoy vegetarian sandwiches from time to time. So let's see how good theirs is right here. Those of you go for vegetarian sandwiches, this is a very good vegetarian sandwich. I really like the flavors that I mixed together. Looks like some cucumbers are in there too. Got some crunch, a little bit of bite. A lot of flavor. The squaw bread tastes really good, nice and fresh, so this is a very good selection for the sandwich. If you ever come to Boards and Brew, they also serve lots of brews. We're not an alcoholic family, so I didn't buy any brews at all. The sandwiches are very good and nice place you can come to for a nice brew and a nice sandwich. You might notice the music's loud in here. It's going to be a loud place when you come. But hopefully you're able to see what the sandwiches are like and see if you want to come here for yourself.